Class 5. Today we are going to study Collins English Grammar and Composition book. In this we will study lesson number 17, Agreement of Subject and Verb. Now what is a subject? Anything about what is said is the subject. For example, if I say Ram goes to market, then Ram is the subject and verb is goes is the verb. So now agreement of subject and verb, you will know the rules about this in this chapter. Now let's get started. Make sentences of your own using the words in the two columns. Then circle the sentences in which the nouns and verbs are singular and tick the ones in which they are plural. So what you have to do, make sentences of your own using the words in the two columns. With the words in the two columns, you have to make the sentences. And then circle in which nouns and verbs are in singular and tick the ones in which they are plural. Okay. Now, several boys work on the farm. So boys and work on the farm. So several boys work on the farm. So plural noun and verb. Several boys means plural noun and work is the verb. My mother leaves for work early in the morning. So mother is the singular noun and leaves is the verb. Ram and Shekhar are hungry. You see, Ram and Shekhar, they are the plural noun and are is a helping verb. That book belongs to me. So that book is the singular noun and belongs is the verb. So in a sentence, what you see? The verb must always agree with the subject in number and person. Number and person. Keep this in your mind. The verb in the sentence must be singular if the subject is singular. If the subject is plural, then the verb will be plural as well. This is known as the agreement of subject and verb. The dog chases the cat. So singular subject. Dog is singular, one. And chases is the singular verb. Now number second sentence. The planes fly in the sky. So planes is the plural subject. But fly is the plural verb. Raju does his homework every day. So Raju is the singular subject and does is the singular verb. Raju and his friend, this is plural subject and do is the plural verb. Now coming to this table, you can see, look at the way the verbs be and have changed their forms depending on the subject. Now be, for be, I, be is, are, am, was, were. Okay, this is the form of be. So with subject I, am is written in the present tense and in the past tense was is written. For example, you can see I am 10 years old. This is the sentence in present tense. But I was 10 years old last year. This is a sentence in past tense. Now he oblique she oblique it oblique singular noun. So with he, she, it or any singular noun is used in the present tense and in past tense was is used. You can see here he oblique she means you can write he is a saucer player or she is a saucer player in the present tense and in the past tense he oblique she was a swimmer means you can write was a swimmer or she was a swimmer. You oblique we oblique they oblique plural noun. So what you write in present tense? Are. And in past you write were. So we oblique they are my friends means we are my friends. They are my friends. Or you can see we oblique they were in the same class. For example, we were in the same class, or you can say they were in the same class. Now have. I oblique you oblique we oblique they oblique plural noun. What you write in the present tense? Have. And in past tense? Had. For example, I oblique we oblique they have lots of books means you can write I have lots of books. We have lots of books. They have lots of books. And in the past tense, what you write? I oblique we oblique they had a beautiful house. For example, the sentence will be I had a beautiful house, or we had a beautiful house, or you can say they had a beautiful house. Now he oblique she oblique it oblique singular noun. What you write in present tense? Has. In the past, had. For example, he oblique she has several friends. He oblique she had a holiday on Friday. So he has several friends in the present tense, and in the past tense he had a holiday on Friday. Now rules of subject verb agreement. Keep the following rules in mind. Two nouns or pronouns joined by and form a plural subject and take a plural verb. So Mohan and Shyam, there are two persons, Mohan and Shyam, and they are joined by and, so they form a plural subject. So you take a plural verb. Are is a plural verb. Now is a singular verb, but are is a plural verb. My friend and I. So what you see here, this is a plural subject. Go is a plural verb. So go to the beach every Sunday. So plural subject, plural verb. We use a singular verb with a collective noun when the collection is taken as a single unit. So we use a singular verb is with a collective noun, a fleet of ships. When the collection is taken, the fleet of ships is considered as a single unit. The fleet of ships is in the harbor. So we use when this is actually plural, but it is considered as singular. So singular subject, singular verb. The crowd of people is will be written waiting to hear the president. We use plural verb with a collective noun when we think of its member as individuals. The jury were divided in their opinion. So were, and you see the jury is a plural subject. We use a plural verb with a collective noun. So jury is a collective noun when we think of its members as individuals. So the members of the jury are considered as individuals. So the jury is a plural, and so plural will be written here. So the jury were divided in their opinion, because here the members of the jury are considered as distinct members. Now the names of subjects take a singular verb even though some of them have s at the end. The name of subjects, for example physics, s is at the end, but it is a singular verb. Singular. The subject is singular, so it will take singular verb only. Mathematics, s is written, but this is singular subject, singular. So singular verb is mathematics is too difficult for me. The titles of books and names of countries always take singular verb even when they sound plural. So Beauty and the Beast is an interesting story. So Beauty and the Beast is a singular subject because it's the title of some story. So singular subject, singular verb is. The United States, singular subject, singular verb is. The word news takes a singular verb even though it has s at the end. The news is old. So keep it in mind. We use did and had with both singular and plural nouns and pronouns. So this is also you have to take in your mind. Now we usually use plural verbs with I and you. I have, you have, you are. So with I and you take plural verbs. Here I is singular, but we take plural verb. So you have to keep in your mind. Now coming to exercise, fill in the blanks with is, am, are. Shobha and Jayanti are neighbors. I am afraid of storms. It is a good idea to meet in the evening. Deepa is Minu's sister. His armchair is for sale. English and mathematics are my favorite subjects. The Maldives is a small group of islands in the Indian Ocean. Water is necessary for life. So Shobha and Jayanti, this is plural, so plural verb. I singular, so I am. It is singular, so singular. Deepa singular, so singular verb. His armchair singular, so singular verb. English and mathematics, two subjects are there. So are plural verb. The Maldives, it's a one island. So is. Water singular, so is. Now fill in the blanks with was or were. Radha and Ruby were in Delhi last year. History was his favorite subject in school until he found that he liked English more. A flock of sheep was crossing the road. In those days, I was very busy. The buildings were very old. The white flowers were not in the basket. The book was lying on the big rack. All my dresses were dirty. Fill in the blanks with has or have. Shalu has curly hair. They have a parrot and an aquarium of fish. You have several color pencils. Squirrels has bushy tails. That boy has a banana in his hand. We have guests at home. Tanima Tanima has an elder sister. Mr. Gupta has a large house. So now coming to this B exercise, Radha and Ruby, plural, so plural verb, where? History, singular, so was. Flock of sheep, singular, it's a collection, so was, singular. In those days, I was. Buildings were. The white flowers, plural, again plural verb. The book was, singular. All my dresses, plural, so wear, plural verb. Now, has, have, shalu, singular, so has. They, plural, so have. You, single, it's a plural. You know na, from rule here that with I and you, have is written. Squirrels, plural. So, it's said about squirrels, a group of animals, so it's has. Now we have. Tanima has. Mr. Gupta has. Because he is singular subject. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the given verbs. All the verbs should be in the present tense. She eats dinner at 9 p.m. Dogs wag their tails when they are happy. Monkeys live on trees. We can find more than 10 species of monkeys in India. Diksha plays with her dolls. I love listening to music. I drink enough water every day. The plant looks good to me. The horses run through the fields in the morning. So she eats. Singular verb, okay? dogs wags, plural, so plural. Monkeys plural, so plural verb. We can find, so plural verb. Diksha plays, singular, so singular verb. I love. I drink. The plant looks. Singular, so singular verb. The horses, plural, so plural verb. Run. Now rewrite the sentences after correcting the errors in subject-verb agreement. Tom live in Mumbai but John live in Delhi. So what you'll do? Tom lives in Mumbai but John lives in Delhi. Now I cooks food every evening. I cook food every evening. They was the best of friends earlier. They were the best of friends earlier. Frogs live in the pond and eat insects. Frogs live in the pond and eat insects. So lives change into live. An aeroplane fly high above the ground. An aeroplane flies high above the ground. Grandma say that she have pain in her knees. So grandma says that she has. Have changed into has. Pain in her knees. I were eating an orange when my friend came. I was eating an orange when my friend came. Oil and water does not mix. Oil and water do not mix. So this was our chapter. Thank you.